Magluto ta og pasta. Pasta with meatballs. So natay onions, kusbara sa Arabic, coriander and English. Ambot unsa na sa Bisaya. So tomato and garlic. So let's go guys, magluto ta og panihapon. Giselle is not here, she's at work, so I make our dinner. So i-fry lang natin yung meatballs until golden brown. Ito yung ingredients natin. Until brown, set aside. Onions. Then, ilagay yung tomato at saka coriander. Tapos, maglagay tayo ng konting tomato paste. Konti lang. Yan. Then, ilagay ang meatballs. Beef stock cubes. Yan. Yan, nilagay ko na ang pasta. Yan. So, luto na yan guys. Pwede na tayong kumain. Pasta with meatballs. Yan. Thank you for watching. Please like and share my videos.